Hey everyone, welcome back to AITech1.com, my YouTube channel for mastering Salesforce and other technologies. I'm Sumit, and in today's video, we'll be going to explore a super useful feature in Salesforce, how to clone an account object with one click. Whether you will be managing multiple accounts or need to quickly replicate the data, cloning can save your tons of time and efforts. So in today's video, I will be going to walk you through the process step by step. And by the end of this video, you will be able to easily duplicate or clone an account in Salesforce with just a few clicks. If you are enjoying this content, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you stay updated with all our latest Salesforce tutorial. So let me share the exact requirement to you. So this is my Salesforce instance. And in this Salesforce instance, I got a sales application, and within sales, we got an account object. Here we got multiple accounts. Let me open an account here. So for example, I open an account as, let's say, Sumit account, and I would like to clone this account. But when I try to clone this account, I don't have any option available here to clone an account. So as you can see, there is no clone option available. Whereas if we visit other objects, let's suppose if I navigate to the opportunity object and open an opportunity record, here we get a clone button. Same manner, if I open a lead, open an existing lead or any lead, and we'll go and check. Here also we got a clone button. But if we click on accounts, as you can see, we do not have any account option or account button available over here in order to replicate this account. So today I will be going to show you how can we replicate this, how can we enable an option in Salesforce in order to clone an account. So actually, we don't have an option available by default in Salesforce in order to activate that option, to enable that option. So therefore, we need to do a customization. And customization basically that means I'm going to add a button. I'm going to add a custom button, and that custom button will help me. It will help us to create to clone an account object. So let's see how do we do that customization. And for this, first of all, I'll navigate to the object. I'll open the account object properties. So I'm into account object properties now. And in account object properties, I will be going to create a custom button. So I click on button links and action. And here's an option called new button or link because we would like to create a new button, and that button we wanted to place over here. So I click on new button links or new button or link. And here we'll be going to create a new button. So I'll give label as clone account. And I want to display this button on detail page button. We can set the behavior here, and the behavior will be display in a new window, or I'll just select here display in existing windows without sidebar or header. Content source will be URL because here we are going to add a URL. So here we need to give a URL, and what will be the URL? So the URL is slash and insert merge field. So I just wanted to merge account ID because we would like to clone an account based on the account ID we want to clone. Then the syntax will be slash E question mark clone is equals to 1. So this is the syntax which will help you to clone the current account. Whichever account you open, it will help you to clone that account once. Click on check syntax. And as you can see, we don't have any error, no issues. Finally, click on save. And it's time to place this button. So now the thing is we need to place this button on an account object on account page. So let's have a look. How do we do this? And for this, I'll click on page layout. Now the question comes, or the biggest question comes here is, as you can see, we got 4 page layouts. So on which page layout we will be going to place this button? Many times the user they face a lot of issues, a lot of challenges, and they were not able to decide on which page, on which layout they should place this button. So in order to do this, I got a trick here. And what's that trick? I'll quickly get back to my account object. I'll open a record and I click here, edit page. So as you can see, this opens the page layout. Okay, so we are into page layout. Then I click on details section. And when I click on details section, when I click on details and we select, when I click on detail and when I click on the detail option here on the right side, you can see set fields in page layout. All the page layouts will be available. And the layout which we will be previewing right now, that is the account layout. So this will help us to identify that where to place this button. So right now, the layout which is visible to us, that is the account layout. So therefore, we will be going to add this button on account layout. So I click on account layout. So now I'm going to place this button and I click on quick. I'll just click on buttons. And this is the button, clone an account. So I click on buttons, clone account, and I select mobile and lightning action, clone account. And I'll place this clone account over here just before this post. I just place this button over here. Salesforce mobile and lightning experience action. Click on save. And let's get back. I'll just save this and we will refresh this layout. So let me save and click on back. And when I refresh, you can see I'm getting an option called clone account. So when I click on clone account, now it's possible for me to clone an account. I can give a new phone number. And if I want, I can set the type, I can set the industry, and I click on save. It says duplicate account found. So because account name, I have put a validation here. The account name cannot be same actually. There's a validation running on this. So I have to remove that validation. So that's a trigger working on that. And you can see this account, it will not allow to do this. That there's a challenge here. I'll just quickly go and check. So as you can see, there's a trigger here, account trigger. And this account trigger basically, it won't allow to duplicate an account. So let's validate this. Let me quickly check it out. Account trigger. And let me edit this and deactivate this. So there's an account trigger actually, so which restricted a user to duplicate an account. Clone an account. Now, let me quickly check this account and I'll just test it again and save. And you can see the account duplicated successfully. So that's the way we can do a customization. We can add a custom button in order to clone an account. So that's all in this video. If you like this, you can post your comment in comment box. Visit my channel. And if you have any questions, reach out to us. You can drop your queries and contact us for the customized training on Salesforce. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.